Welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to discuss indicator strategy for Forex trading with great success. What you are going to learn in this video today will either make you a very successful Forex trader or you quit Forex trading. I am very sure of what I'm saying. Are you ready to be successful? Then continue watching. But if you know you are not ready to put in the work, however, for you to make research or go on YouTube to search for indicator strategy for forex trading, it then means you are serious. Welcome as we discuss a strategy that ensure your success as a forex trader. With thousands of forex indicators, I mean thousands of forex indicators, most forex traders usually get confused. Confusion sets in, more especially for beginners or intermediate forex traders, because you will see a lot of them. In fact, I can't name them. There are as many as. So most traders find it difficult to make a choice, to choose the right indicator for them. And that is why you are here. I will show you, I will tell you the right indicator for you as a forex trader. There are two models of indicators: the software-based indicator and chart-based indicator. Yes, software-based and chart-based. What do I mean by software-based or chart-based? Anyway, let's progress. The software-based indicators are those indicators that are programmed by the programmers, such as the MACD, RSI, Bollinger Band, name them. But the software base or the chart base are those indicators emanating from the charts, from the real life activities of the forex traders in the world. These two indicators are interrelated, but look at what happens. The software base follows suit of the chart base. That's why they said almost every indicator lags. So if you are to trade, or if you are a good trader, or if you want to become a good trader, you will always learn the indicator that leads, not the one that lags. So the chart indicators leads. The indicators lead. The chart indicators lead. Now, before we go into detail of these indicators, what are their uses? Please subscribe to my channel, share my video, comment. Your feedback will really help others to grow in this industry, where a lot of people lose money because of these little things. So once more, subscribe and click that notification button so that you will always be among the first persons that will see my video whenever I release it. Now, the indicators, before you talk of indicators, what are their uses? There are three major uses of indicators: trend identification. Now, the Bollinger Band, the moving average, these ones are software based. Momentum indicators. The trend indicators or identification indicators are indicators that tell traders that this is where the market is going up or is going down. Then the momentum indicators is telling you if what is the volume or the strength of either the buyers or the sellers in the market. Then oscillator indicator is telling you that whether if the buyers have overbought or the sellers have oversold. These are the uses of indicator. So if you want to use indicator, you must know what it does. If you don't understand exactly what it does, it will never work in your favor. However, how do you use the software base and the chart based indicators? Because if you want to be successful, you must learn to use both or master the chart based indicator perfectly. You have to master it perfectly. Now, the chart based indicators are the price actions, the candlestick patterns, and the chart patterns. These are chart based indicators. That means the charts, from what the price does on the charts, you will know where the market will possibly go. Then the support and resistance. These things are found on the charts. They are indicators that will tell you, the price action will tell you if this market will continue or is going, um, is reversing. The candlestick does something and the chart pattern does something. So you see that we have the software based and the chart based indicators. What do you want them to indicate for you? That is when you will know what to use. Do you want them to indicate your entry point? Do you want them to indicate your exit point? Do you want them to indicate how far you'll be in the market? As you progress, you will learn how to use all these things. Please, if you're enjoying my video, subscribe. Now, most of you will want to learn or to rush to the buy and sell button of a chart. That is the last thing you will do until you understand every other thing that make up the forex trading. This buy and sell button will be the last thing you need to do as a trader. But most of you, once you learn a bit, you rush to buy and sell, and that is why the market do away with your money. Remember, this market is positioned to make money out of you, in as much as you are coming to make money out of the market. I hope you get the logic. So obviously, you must be well prepared before the D-Day. The D-Day is a sell and buy button. So you must know what indicator you are using. Where will you master it? How will you master it? Until you do your groundwork very well, you hardly succeed in this field. Now, this is that with this the chart-based indicators. Now, how do you identify the trend? Let me tell you. You may ask me, what are my indicators? The chart base are my indicators. The chart base are my indicators. I don't use software base at all. In my early years of as a beginner in the forex trading, I was using the software base, but these things lack. Most times, to me, they were wrong. So I had to learn the chart, and that is when I started making the money I need to make as a forex trader. Yes, if you understand the chart based patterns, you are, I'm sure, guarantee that you'll be among the few successful traders that will always make money. Now, identify the trend using chart. How do you identify the trend using chart? It's simple. When you go to your chart, you go to higher time frame, you minimize it. What do you see? From this, from minimizing it, it's telling you that this pair is an uptrend. Yes, this is gold. It has been an uptrend for a very long time. In fact, from 2015 till today. And that brings me to a very big notice to you. Or let me give you a very big secret. Some trend takes 20 years to change, 10 years. So trend hardly change. Movement can change. There will be reversal in movement, but trend can remain a very long time. So you see, if you're a chart-based indicator trader, as simple as this, you have understood where the trend of the pair is. Let's look at this pair. Euro USD, go to the monthly chart and minimize it. It's as simple as that. The trend is down. The trend is down. So with the chart, you can know, okay, it has served as indicator for you, knowing, all right, this is where the market is. The market is downward. Now, learn the upward and the downward language of Forex trading, especially the candlestick pattern. That is what I trade. Now, why do I say you should learn the upward and downward languages? I usually love to liken Forex with football. Most of you love football. How is football being played? Team A and Team B. Team A has to play from right wing, or yes, to the left for 45 minutes, while B plays from left to the right for 45 minutes. After halftime, they switch and play from one direction to another. So shall your Forex trading be. You must learn to trade from one direction to another. Trading up and down makes you a crazy trader. It does not work that way. What I'm teaching you is exactly what I do, and it has worked for me over years, year and year, over years. So learn to trade one direction at a time. If the market is upward, then you will wait to a retracement where you trade upward. If it is downward, you wait for a retracement where you trade downward. But before you do that, the biggest indicator now is the language the chart speaks. If you are enjoying this, please subscribe to my channel. Be part of my channel. Let's grow. So the biggest indicator here is the language. I hope you know the power of a language. If you don't understand the language of the Forex trading, forget it. Forget it. I'm being honest. I'm being blunt. I stand to get nothing for seeing you losing your hard-earned money. So if you don't understand the language, if you don't sleep, wake and speak the language the chart speaks, so that when you open the chart like this, merely looking at the chart, you can identify what a trader in the US, what a trader in Japan, what a trader in Russia may be thinking. If your level of study, understanding of Forex has not gotten to that level, then go back to drawing board or go back to learning board. Let me tell you, if it will take you 6 months from today to learn all the languages and better the rest of your life, won't you do it? So, what are the languages? Now, if the market is going up, there are specific languages you'll be waiting for, looking for. If it's coming down, there are specific language you'll be looking for. Let me show you this. In a downward trend, you'll be looking for evening star, dark cloud cover, tweezer top, hanging man, bearish engulfing pattern. Why do you look for these things? Now, please don't get me wrong. These are the languages, some languages anyway. To be successful, you only master one or two and stick to that one of two or one or two. Be disciplined whenever those languages you understand did not appear on the chart. Don't trade. Let's see this. Let's go to the chart. This is a downward trend. The trend is going down, isn't it? Now, when it's going down, you'll be looking for a bearish engulfing pattern in a retraced movement. Okay, this is a bearish engulfing pattern. Let me hold it. The market is going down. Are you getting it? Now it is retracing. As it is retracing, what I will be looking for is a bearish, because I love trading bearish engulfing pattern, is a bearish engulfing pattern. This is a bearish engulfing pattern, but there is a confirmation. That is one thing. That's what makes this market very easy. There is a confirmation. The confirmation is that another bearish candle need to close lower. But if you see, when this formed, I was waiting for another candlestick to close lower. It did not close lower. You see, I will not trade this market. It's as simple as that. So I trade bearish engulfing pattern and um, um, these are hanging man. These are the two patterns I trade very well. I understand whenever they form, I know that I have chance of making 80 to 90% success in that trade. Please subscribe if you're enjoying my channel or my education. If you're enjoying this video, comment, be part of this growing channel, please. Then, what happens in upward trend? If a trend is up, as in this, if a trend is up, I will be looking for, because it is up, the trend is up, you will be looking for a bullish, when it retraces, you'll be looking for a bullish engulfing pattern so that you will continue in the direction of the market. That is how to trade a trend. You allow, you have established that this pair is up. So you allow retracement, and when it retraces, then you wait for a solid language like bullish engulfing pattern. Here, a bullish engulfing pattern has occurred here. This trend is an uptrend, but it has retraced to this point. Now a bullish engulfing pattern has occurred. Very clear one. And if I had been in this market, I would buy here. And you see, it can take me to this level. Another bullish engulfing pattern has occurred here. If you had entered this market, you would have gone out of this market here before it retraces. Another bullish engulfing pattern has occurred here and is moving. What is bullish engulfing pattern? This pattern now, this candlestick, like engulfing the whole of this, and 50% of this most time you have gotten your chance to trade. So you must understand this language from the charts. From the chart. If you watch my chart, I have been trading naked charts for the past 10 years. Please, this is your assignment. If you can't read this book, if you can't get this book and read it, understand it. I mean, read it, study it, understand it. Don't ever trade Forex. Yes, don't ever trade Forex. This is one of the best. In fact, any other candlestick book pattern was derived from this. This is the Bible of Forex trading. I became so successful when I read this book, and the second one, Bird Watching in the Lion Country. These are the books that gave me the Forex trading strategy that makes me money. I know you are still waiting for me to show you that particular strategy, that point where you become a millionaire. I will definitely show you. Just ride on with me. However, subscribe. Please be part of my channel. Then, the strategy proper. Always trade one direction in the market. I told you. It's like a football match. You don't play left to right and right to left, right at the same time, left to right and right to left at the same time, hoping to make it. You get things messed up. Split the required lot size into 3 places. If I'm trading one lot size, or sorry, if I'm trading $1,000, my maximum exposure should be 2%. So I'm looking at 0.1 lot size. Now I cannot use 0.1 lot size at one entry. So what I will do is 0.05 and wait for the market to either advance more or continue in my direction. If it advances, I trade zone. My trading pattern is zone. That's within a range. If it is advanced, if it advances to a particular point, then I will release the other 0.05 in the market. But it must be in one direction. And I'm a master of Euro USD. What master are you? Let me tell you, we have a lot of pairs in the world or in the forex world. However, they are few. What do I mean? Euro, USD, GBP, all these pairs, they they tend to behave similar, correlated. Only few pairs does not relate. So why will you be trading Euro USD, trading GBP USD, trading dollar, trading gold, trading silver? No, you mess yourself up. Whatever that happens to A will happen to B, happen to C, and happen to D. So always stick to one pair, just one pair. Master it. After all, if you are a businessman, you only sell one goods at a time, a good for at a time. You will not be multiple of goods sellers. No. So master your pair. Then ensure you identify the support and resistance. Major support and resistance in the market. Major support and resistance. Whenever you get to there, you watch if there is any formation, any candlestick pattern or chart pattern at those stages tends to give you a clear trading information. Yes. Identify your support and resistance clearly. Then, once a candlestick pattern is formed, don't trade until there is a confirmation. Let me give instance. This pattern is called railway track in forex trading, this particular pattern. But I will not trade it because the second day did not close lower. That would have been my confirmation. If this happened and the second day it closes lower, I am the third day I will sell and will not go out of the market until what I see nullifies me. That is the exit point. That is my exit point. The exit point is the exit point is when the formation the formation I see is nullified or I have made 1% of my money. Once you get these things done this way, obviously you have a forex trading strategy with high success rates. Yes, I know you have been waiting for me to show you that magic indicator strategy that will make you millions. Anyway, what you've learned is all you need to succeed as a forex trader. Remember, your success now depends on your personal understanding of the market. Now, let me ask you, you must have seen a lot of people selling signal in the market. There are signal providers, yet 95% of their followers fail to make good money from those signals. Why? They providers of the signals, they know what they see. You blindly follow them and you fall into the pit. So you must understand the market in your own way. That is why you need to go back to the drawing board, the learning board. Learn it until you understand it. Once you understand it, you can easily form your own trading pattern, build your strategy, practice it, and patiently follow your strategy. You will definitely make money. Now, most of you are always carried away by seeing Lamborghinis and those things. No, don't be carried away by that. Forex is a normal business. You gradually grow it. You make living out of it once you understand the market and map out a strategy and stick to it. Please, if you've enjoyed this video, share, be part of my channel. I urge you to subscribe, click the notification button, and drop any comment, any question you have on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.